Good morning. We're over in St Helens this morning doing some upholstery. Thought we'll do a little video. We've not done one for a few days, so we'll take you in. We've got the machine running from the van, running in. We're doing this suite here. We're doing this carpet here, which we've just vacuumed, and then we've got a bedroom upstairs as well. So yeah, we'll have a nosy. Hair starting to flick out. Okay, this carpet we actually pre-vacuumed, and we've just run our. You can see the hair that's come out. All this comes from the very bottom that your vacuum misses. You see. So our other machine will pick this up now. You can see we're just ready for rinsing. See the hair that's come out. So you think with vacuuming it gets it out, but it doesn't. Okay, we've finished the job now. I'm out of breath. Give me a minute. So that was the carpet, lounge. And then... Okay, we've finished that job now. She's absolutely delighted. She's going onto our website now and putting us a review on. If you need us in, send us a photo over of anything you want doing. You can use Facebook, Instagram, Google, our mobile number, WhatsApp. Okay, we're on to the next job. Have a good day, everybody. See you later.